Classic louvered shape, light intensity, free to adjust. Beautiful and practical, privacy protection, light adjustment. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the location, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then, secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the position of cord cleat. Punch holes for cleat. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the cord cleat. Wrap the pull cord promptly to prevent accidents. Combine Roman shades and blinds, both beautiful and practical.